So this doesn't wiggle anywhere that way, but I can grab this and move the fan up and down back here. So I don't know.
Bearings and good.
Yeah. But I don't know.
It smells nice.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want, you can put the other pulley on it.
Are you taping this?
Yeah.
Can you feel it? I think that'd be really good for the real world because I always speak my mind and not everyone likes that. And I can be sexy.
Well, this is, I mean, that's the keys. That's just these things. But, I mean, if you spin it really hard. Well, the pulley's making that clicking sound. That's not going to do anything to it. Because the bolt's going to be on that, so. Alright, let me start it up quickly and we'll see what happens. Let's see if it makes that weird funky noise.
Okay, but if I get a piece of metal in my face, I'm not going to be smiling. Or will you? Why so serious?
Actually, what I'm thinking is, let me just put this on. Actually, yeah, I'll leave it on. I'll put this back on and then put the nut on while it holds it on. Actually,
I can do that.
okay.
I know how to turn that. You, Dad? This is really advanced bug stuff.
Make sure that doesn't fall off, please.
Yep. Clear? Clear. Contact.
You still hear the noise, don't you?
Kind of, yeah.
Well, then it might be the cam, actually.
Guess time for a new motor.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's the only thing that moves, is the cam.
Well.
Oh, doesn't matter. Okay, I know what that's from. Yeah, so I guess that's the cam that's going, which means one day this motor's, pretty soon this motor's gonna go poof.
Yep, and all them spare parts are gonna be spare parts. Wait a sec, isn't this the motor you just put in?